Children, it is a continuation of the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Now let us discuss about the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. You know the addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, and also you know that only like terms can be added or subtracted. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. Here, for example, you take 7x plus 3x. Here 7x and 3x are like terms. So you can add them. Here we have to add the coefficient of the like terms. Here in the first term there is 7x. The coefficient of x is 7 here. That is coefficient of the term is 7. So here you can add 7, and the second term is having the coefficient 3. 7 plus 3 into x, that is 10x you will get. Or otherwise you can directly write 7 plus 3 is 10, x you will get. 7x plus 3x is 10x. Then second one you take here minus 8xy plus 6xy, minus 8xy plus 6xy. If you want to add these two terms, first verify whether they are like terms or not. xy is there, so you can consider that these two are like terms. Then here the numerical coefficients are minus 8 and 6. So you know the sum of minus 8 and 6. As they are having different signs, you can add the minus 8, 6 and means, that is, here we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number, that is 8 minus 6 is 2. Here you have to write 2xy, but the sign is minus because 8 is greater than 6 and it is having negative sign. Now the question is, find the sum of 2a plus 3b minus 5a plus 6b and minus 8b. And in the first expression there are two terms. You know that it is a binomial, so you write it as it is 2a plus 3b. Second one is minus 5a plus 6b, and you must write the like terms one below the other. Then you write minus 5a plus 6b. Then in the third expression only one term is there, that is monomial, and it is minus 8b means it is a like terms for 3b, 6b. So you write below the 3b, 6b. Now here you add all these three expressions, and here we have to add 2a and minus 5a. 2a and minus 5a. 2a minus 5a means here they are having different sign. So subtract 2 from 5, you will get 3. So you got 3a here, but the sign is negative as 5 is greater than 2. Then sum of 3b, 6b and minus 8b. 3b and 6b are having same sign, add them. 3b plus 6b is 9b, 9b minus 8b. Here these two are like terms having different signs. So here you subtract 9 minus 8 is 1, then it is 1b. Sign is 1b because 9 is greater than 8. So you got the sum of 2a plus 3b minus 5a plus 6b minus 8b is minus 3a plus 1b, that is minus 3a plus b. Therefore sum of 2a plus 3b minus 5a plus 6b and minus 8b is minus 3a plus 1b. Minus 3a plus 1b, that is nothing but minus 3a plus b. The fourth question is subtract 2x plus 3y minus 4z from 6x minus 5y plus 4z. Here we have to subtract 2x plus 3y minus 4z from 6x minus 5y plus 4z. So you take the 2x plus 3y minus 4z below the 6x minus 5y plus 4z. So you take 6x minus 5y plus 4z, and we have to subtract 2x plus 3y minus 4z from this 6x minus 5y plus 4z, and you take like terms one below the other. Here it is 2x and plus 3y minus 4z. Here we have to subtract, and while subtracting we have to change the sign of the each term of the second expression which we are taking below. So here minus is there, so we change it as plus, and plus must be changed as minus, and here it is plus 2x, so it must be minus 2x. Now you, after changing the sign according to the addition rule, add the like terms here. You know that sum of 6 and minus 2, that is nothing but 6 minus 2 is 4x. 6 minus 2 is 4x, and minus 5 minus 3 means here we have to add. What is the sum of minus 5 and minus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8, so it is minus 8y, and 4z, and it is also 4z as the sign is changed. So sum of 4z and 4z is, that is plus 8z, plus 8z. Therefore, if 2x plus 3y minus 4z is subtracted from 6x minus 5y plus 4z, here what is the difference we are going to get? That is 4x minus 8y plus 8z. 4x minus 8y plus 8z. Note that subtraction of a number is the same as addition of its additive inverse. Thus, subtracting minus 2 is same as adding plus 2. For example, subtract minus 2 from 3. Minus 2 from 3 means you are writing 3 minus of minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2. Then it becomes 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Similarly, subtracting 8y is same as adding minus 8y. So you take one example here, that is subtracting 8y is same as adding minus 8y. So you take 10y is there. If there is a question, subtract 8y from 10y means you are writing 10y minus 8y. Here the sum of 10 and minus 8, you know that is nothing but 10 minus 8, you will get 2y. In this way, what you can observe here, subtraction of a number is the same as addition of its additive inverse. Now you take the one more example for the addition. Add 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y, and third expression is minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. Now you write one expression below the other as it is addition. Here you take the first expression, and after that you take the second one, next you take the third one. First you write 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, and here 7xy is there, 7xy is there. So here x in the second expression xy is not there, so there is no like terms to 7xy in the second expression, and yz is there. You write 4yz below 5yz. Then zx is there plus 9zx, and extra minus 4y is there. You write it separately, minus 4y. Here there is no like terms. Next, in the third expression, the first term is minus 3xz. You know that xz is same as zx, so you write below 9zx, that is minus 3xz. Here 3zx minus 3zx plus 9zx and minus 3xz are like terms, so they comes one below the other. Next 5x is there. 5x is there. So you write it separately. 5x. You write it separately because here you can't write below it. Therefore you write it separately. Next, here minus 2xy is there. This minus 2xy comes below the xy, that is 7xy is there. So you write minus 2xy, minus 2xy, minus 2xy, and you can write here no terms, you write 0. Here also no terms, you write 0. Here no terms, write 0. Then plus, here also no terms. Now, as it is a addition and there is no necessity of changing the sign, first you add these two. The sum of 7 and minus 2 is nothing but subtracting 2 from 7. Sum of 7 and minus 2 is subtracting 2 from 7. You know that 7 minus 2 is 5. You write 5xy. 5xy. Then here add this 2 because it is 0, and 5yz and 4yz, and the sum of 5yz and 4yz, as they are having same sign, add them and put the same sign, that is plus. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9yz, 9yz, and here minus 3zx is there, 9zx is there, minus 3zx is there, and two terms minus 3zx, they are having the same sign. If you add them, minus 3zx, you will get same sign, means add them and put that sign. Minus 6zx you will get. They are having same sign and add them. Then 9zx is there. 9zx minus 6zx, that is 3zx you can write, or otherwise here 9 minus 3 is 6. Again 6 minus 3 is 3. So you write plus 3z. Anyway you can do here. Here you can add first negative, then you can subtract that from the positive, or directly 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3 also you can write. Next here minus 4y, only one term, you write it as it is, minus 4y, then plus 5x. Then what is the sum of 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, and 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y, and minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy is, the sum is 5xy plus 9yz plus 3zx minus 4y plus 5x. This is the sum. Next let us take one more here, that is subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Here we have to subtract the first expression from the second expression. First expression is 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. Second expression is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. So you take the second expression above, that is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now you verify the like terms. First one is 5x square is there. So you write below 7x square, you write 5x square here. Then minus 4y square is there. So you write minus 4y square below 8y square. And plus 6y is there. So you write that plus 6y below minus 3y. Then it is plus 6y. And extra minus 3 is there, you write separately, because here in the first expression, in the above expression, there is no any constant. Then you can write here, for convenient purpose, you can write 0, 0, here also 0 means. Now here we have to subtract, so change the sign, and you know that this is plus 5x square given. As we are subtracting, it becomes minus 5x square, and here minus 4y square is to be plus 4y square, and this is minus 6y square, and it is plus 3. So you change this sign and as usual method add them, and you know that this is 7x square and this is minus 5x square. As the sign is changed, it is minus 5x square. You know 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2x square. And here only one term is there. Write it as it is. That is minus 4xy. Then 8y square and it is 4y square. 8y square and 4y square. 8 plus 4 add, that is 12y square. And here only one term, that is 5x, write it as it is 5x, and minus 3y and it is minus 6y. They are having same sign, add them and put the minus sign. Minus, what is the sum of 6 and 3? Sum of 3 and 6 is 9. So you got minus 9y. And 0, it is plus 3. And 0 plus 3 is plus 3. So you got 2x square minus 4xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 9y plus 3.